How did you do all that fast?
All right, so I just dropped Rolex off at daycare. Sam's at work. I'm gonna try and get this mantle done before Sam gets home. I was kind of wondering how I'm gonna do it with Rolex there, but she said this morning that she wanted to take him to this new boarding place. But I gotta pick him up at 4 o'clock. I'm trying to get this all done before 4 o'clock, and it's 9:15 almost right now. I'm actually in the Home Depot parking lot. Like, it's gonna be a surprise for her when she gets home, because she thinks everything that I do takes like a month long. So molding, shiplap, mantle, TV mount, and paint. I don't know. We'll see if I can get it all done in 6 hours, 7 hours, whatever. This is what the fireplace mantle looked like before she left for work. So this is the last thing she saw before she left. Damn it. You're back.
Oh shit.
I
How did you do all that fast?
I wanted to surprise you
How did you
with
do
it being
all that?
finished.
How did you do all that fast?
Ever help me?
Oh, nice. What the fuck? I really did not. I only expected maybe like half of the shiplap. I definitely didn't expect it to be painted today.
I know.